My name is Darius, and I'm a senior at Riverside Brookfield High School. My counselor told me about the program, and I've always been interested in hands-on things. So I decided to join it because I want to do a trade after high school.
The Bridge program is supposed to kind of introduce a few things for you. Plumbing, the trades overall. So when the kids come here, I'll tell them, plumbing's a great trade, but there's many other trades out there. This is kind of like an introduction, what to expect.
I originally wanted to do welding, but the plumbing opportunity came first, and I wanted to do hands-on things. That's how it came about plumbing. And yeah, I kind of want to do it in the future too.
Of course, we want all of the students that come to the Bridge program to eventually become plumbers, to take the test and to get into the apprenticeship to become plumbers.
Just to even come in this class for the 8 weeks, see what you think. If you don't like it, at least you know you don't like it. That you get the option, you tried it, it's not for you, go on and find something different.
I get out of school at 2:10, I have early release, and then we have class until 6:30.
You have to be dedicated, you have to be motivated, self-disciplined. And so being on time for the program and taking them through tool safety, how to work with tools, making sure that they have their proper PPE, things that they can get accustomed to here. That way when they go out on the field, it's second nature for them at that point.
Mondays, we do our project days, and they have us find takeoffs, which are how much you want to cut the pipe and put it inside a 90-degree angle. Then we glue it, we prime it, we put together this big project. And then on Wednesdays, they have us do a math class, and we find fractions and other things.
My favorite part about this program is definitely the hands-on projects where we're putting pipes together and testing them to see if we're doing the right measurements and everything right.
And then after we're done, they actually run the actual water through to see if it leaks, and it's pretty fun. CJ and I's project, it didn't leak, so I was pretty happy.
As a plumber, you're paid well, but you're also expected to know a lot. So we do a lot of soldering, brazing, welding, and you will learn all that in this program.
My biggest pride and joy is walking into the building and seeing some of our high school students that I had the privilege of instructing during our first Bridge program, and now they're apprentices here. Now they're helping out, and it's like, yes, like this is the end goal.
After high school, I'm going to join the union, this one actually here, Local 130. The apprentices are almost like friends with the journeymen. So it's not really like a teacher-student relationship, but almost like friendship. So I'm pretty excited.
I would suggest this program to people for the youngers who wouldn't want to go to college and wouldn't want to pay debt.
You can come through the door without knowing a drop about plumbing. And not only are they going to train you, but they're going to pay you to be trained in order to gain this skill. By the time you're 25 years old, you're making, including your benefits, over $100 an hour. No one is going to offer you that at 25 years old.
I like cutting pipes. I don't know why, but I just really like cutting the pipes. I like making measurements and making sure everything is on point, what they're supposed to be. I found something that I would enjoy doing.